Hello lovely people, it's Hila here, Saturday Night Stitch. Today's video is to do with sewing room organization. Now, I don't know if you know this, but I'm a little bit crazy about sewing magazines. So I have a lot of sewing magazines and I'm constantly on the lookout for ways to store them easily. So imagine my pleasure when I realized that one of the snacks that we buy for the children's lunchboxes is the perfect size for Berta magazines. So this is my little tutorial on how to convert an old box that was just going to end up in the recycling, and you can reuse it as a magazine caddy. This is something that I love doing. I very rarely ever buy specific storage caddies. I prefer to make them myself using old boxes or reusing old ice cream tubs. So here we go, we've cut off the flaps at the top of the box itself, but I will add some sellotape just to give it a little bit of reinforcement, and that's just so that it doesn't keep on fraying or getting fluffy, and it just makes it a lot easier to pick up and put down when it's got a smooth edge like that. So yeah, it's pretty much simple and straightforward. Some of my other upcycled boxes, I will wrap them in fancy wrapping paper, but I didn't do that for this one because I was busy also packing for a camping trip, etc. And it was something that I could just quickly get done and put these new additions to my magazine collection so that I could tidy them away straight away. So there we go. As you can see, perfect fit. Protects the edges, keeps them from getting dog-eared. I can't tell you how awesome and amazing it is to have your magazines look neat and tidy like that. So they're ready to go into their cupboard where they are kept out of the sun because sunlight damages paper, and they're also kept in a cupboard to prevent dust from getting onto them. That's it guys, a super quick video on how to upcycle and create storage for your sewing magazines. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a big like and subscribe for more sewing related content every week. Until next time guys, happy sewing. Bye.